Don't get reckless when it comes to buying rental property. I've met lots of investors who, in the single family realm, have gotten excited about owning rental properties, and they run out and they buy as many of them as they can, as fast as they can, and usually at as low of a price as they can. And with low price being the main determining factor for some of these investors, and because of their zeal, they'll buy houses sometime as is. They will have low standards in regards to the condition of the house, and they get what I would call reckless. And, once they own the property, they'll try to put a tenant in as soon as they can. Maybe they won't fix things that are wrong. They just want the rent to start coming in. Believe me, that'll always catch up with you if you don't examine the house that you're buying, if you don't either make up your mind that you're going to buy houses in decent condition, or you have a thorough knowledge of the scope of work needed and you're prepared to put it in great shape. I've seen some people buy houses sight unseen, no inspections, and then they find, wow, they, in their excitement, have purchased something that's going to cost them a whole lot in the long run. Maybe so much that they don't even want it as an investment property. They'll put it back on the market and find that they cannot get what they paid for it because the next investor is a little more thorough. They're going to inspect it, look at it closely. They're going to see all of its shortcomings and not be willing to pay as much as the previous person did. So approach it seriously, like a business. You need to have a real good idea of what you're getting into. Don't get reckless. Even don't go at too fast of a pace. Get one, get it stabilized, get it rented, and move on to the next one.